Welcome to MSK Study Classes. So in this video we will complete the remaining part of problem set 2. So let's start. Question number 4. How many rupees do they make? So in this we have to calculate the total rupees. So in first question, 120 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. So there are 20 notes of 1000 rupees which is equal to 20,000. 5 notes of 100 which is equal to 500 and 140 notes of 10 which is equal to 140. Let's add all these rupees. So they make altogether 20,640 rupees. 215 notes of 1000 rupees, 12 notes of 100 rupees, 8 notes of 10 rupees and 5 coins of 1 rupee. So in these questions there are 15 notes of 1000 rupees which is equal to 15,000. 12 notes of 100 rupees which is equal to 1200. 8 notes of 10 rupees which is equal to 80. And 5 coins of 1 rupee which is equal to 5. Let's add these together. So they make altogether 16,285 rupees. So let's move on to question number 5. Write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit numbers that can be made using the digits 4, 5, 0, 3, 7 only once. So over here we have to write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit number using the digits. But we can only use those digit ones. We can't take the digit twice or thrice. So the digits are 4, 5, 0, 3, 7. In this we also can't take the 0 digit at the first place. If we take 0 digit at the first place the number will be of 4 digits, so we'll take the smallest digit which will be greater than 0 to form a smallest number which is 3. Then we will take 0. Why we will take 0? Because if we take another digit the number will form bigger. That's why we will take 0 at the second place, then the bigger number from 3 which is 4, then 5 and then 7. So the number which is formed is 30,457 is the smallest number. For solving this question we can use the method of ascending and descending. But in case you have the digit 0, always put that digit at the 2 place to form 5-digit number. You also use this step to form 3-digit 4-digit number and so on. So now we have formed the smallest 5-digit numbers, but we also have to form the biggest 5-digit number. So we will first take the biggest digit, then the smaller number from the first digit, then the third number smaller, then the second digit and so on. So the biggest 5-digit numbers is 75,430. So now let's move to question number 6. The names of some places and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer the questions that follow. So in this we have to answer the question. Here some data is given of places and population which are Tala, 40,642. Gaganbawada, 35,777. Bodwad, 91,256. Moregaon, 87,012. Bomragad, 35,950. Velhi, 54,497. Ashti, 76,201. Washi, 92,173. Morwada, 85,890. Okay, so let's move to question 1. 1. Which place has the greatest population? What is its population? So over here we have to give the name of the place and its population which has greatest population. So the Bodwad place has the greatest population with 91,256. Question number 2. Which place, Morwada or Moregaon, has the greater population? In this we have to tell by comparing the 2 places and tell which place has a greater population. So by comparing we can see that Moregaon has the greater population. Question number 3. Which place has the smallest population? How much is it? Over here we have to give the name of the place and its population which has smallest population. So the Gaganbawada place has the smallest population with 35,777.